Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms, which is ExpressVPN and Mullvad VPN. So in 2025, ExpressVPN and Mullvad are both top choice for online privacy, but they focus on different user needs. So ExpressVPN is ideal for beginners and everyday users. It has easy app, strong security, and work great with streaming platforms like Netflix and Hulu. It also offers a fast speed with its lightweight protocol and has no log policy backed by a independent audit. Talking about Mullvad means it is a go-to privacy-focused users. It doesn't even ask for your email, just gives you a numbered account. Then based in Sweden, it's used a strong encryption, doesn't keep log, and is open source. However, it's great for streaming and it's app for more basic. And here's a very conclusion. So you can just pick ExpressVPN if you want an easy all-round VPN with a good speed and streaming support. But on the other hand, choose Mullvad if your main concern is staying anonymous and you don't need any or all the extras. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about these two VPN platform.